Is your AI subscription stack costing you over $1,000 a year? I'm about to show you 5 completely free tools that are genuinely better than what you're paying for right now. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to build a world-class AI workflow at zero cost. Let's get into it. Welcome to ToolStack AI, where we test and review the best software so you don't have to waste money on the wrong tools. Today, we're talking about the free AI stack, a combination of 5 tools that, when used together, replace thousands of dollars in paid subscriptions. No trials, no paywalls, no credit card required. Let's start with the big picture. In 2026, the AI landscape has completely matured. The first wave of AI tools was about novelty. You paid a premium just to access the technology. But now, the second wave is here. Competition has driven quality up and prices down, all the way to zero for many critical use cases. The question is no longer if free AI tools are good enough. The question is, which combination is right for you? Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover today. Number 1, Perplexity AI for research. Number 2, Fathom for meeting notes. Number 3, Gemini Code Assist for coding. Number 4, NAT for automation. And number 5, Canva's free tier for design and marketing visuals. Let's break each one down. Tool number 1, Perplexity AI, the research engine that beats ChatGPT Plus. If you're paying $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus primarily to use it for research, I have news for you. You're wasting money. Perplexity AI's free tier does one thing better than any paid chatbot on the market. It gives you verifiable, cited answers. Every single result comes with direct links to sources. You're not getting hallucinations. You're getting facts you can actually trace back. Here's the key difference. ChatGPT Plus can browse the web, sure, but it's designed to give you a conversational answer, not a research report. Perplexity is built from the ground up to serve as sources. It's the difference between asking a friend a question and reading an encyclopedia with footnotes. Real-world example. I asked Perplexity to find me the latest pricing changes for Notion AI. It gave me a sourced, up-to-date answer in under 10 seconds, with 3 separate links to the official changelog and tech journalists covering the update. ChatGPT gave me a confident but unverified paragraph that turned out to be 6 months out of date. The free tier gives you unlimited basic searches. The only limitation is that Deep Pro search, which uses more advanced models like Claude, is capped at a few uses per day. For 90% of professional research tasks, you'll never hit that limit. Who is this for? Marketers, consultants, writers, analysts, anyone whose job requires finding accurate, up-to-date information. If your workflow involves research, Perplexity is a non-negotiable part of your free stack. Tool number 2, Fathom, the meeting transcription tool that never bills you. Let me ask you something. How many hours of meetings do you have every month? 20? 50? More? Now, are you paying for a transcription tool to keep records of those calls? Because if you're using Otter.ai on a paid plan, I'm about to save you $17 a month. Fathom is a free AI meeting assistant that integrates with Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. It joins your calls automatically, records them, and gives you a full transcript, a summary, and a list of action items, completely free. And here's the part that makes it genuinely better. It's unlimited. Otter.ai's free tier gives you 300 minutes per month. That's 5 hours. Many professionals burn through that in a single week. Fathom gives you 0 minutes because there is no limit. The practical impact is enormous. Freelancers can send every client a professional summary right after the call. Sales teams can review discovery calls in detail. Project managers get automatic action items without lifting a finger. The one limitation worth noting is that the AI summaries on the free tier aren't using the most advanced models available. They're good, but they may miss nuance in complex technical discussions. Still, for a free tool, the quality is consistently impressive. If you spend significant time in virtual meetings, Fathom is the single most impactful free tool on this list, period. Tool number 3, Gemini Code Assist, 180,000 completions per month, free. If you're a developer and you're paying for GitHub Copilot Pro at $10 a month, let me show you what Google is offering for free. Gemini Code Assist gives you 180,000 code completions per month. GitHub Copilot's free tier gives you 2,000. Let that sink in. That's 90 times more output at $0. For individual developers and freelancers, Gemini Code Assist's free quota is genuinely unlimited for practical purposes. Most developers don't hit 50,000 completions in a month. It integrates directly into VS Code, Jetdines, and Android Studio. You install it, connect your Google account, and it starts suggesting code inline, exactly like Copilot, but with a far more generous free tier. Now, the caveats. First, on the free plan, Google may use your code snippets to improve its models. If you're working on proprietary or sensitive code, this is a serious concern. Enterprise plans fix this, but they cost money. Second, Gemini Code Assist is an assistant, not an agent. Tools like Cursor and Claude Code can perform complex multi-file architectural changes from a single prompt. Gemini is great at writing code alongside you. It's not going to autonomously refactor your entire code base. For the freelancer writing websites, apps, and scripts, Gemini Code Assist is more than enough, and it's free. Tool number 4, N8N, the automation platform that Zapier should fear. Automation is where free tools get truly disruptive. Zapier is the most popular workflow automation platform on the market, and for good reason. It connects over 8,000 apps and has an incredibly easy interface. But its pricing will shock you once you start building anything serious. Complex multi-step automations can run you $30, $50, even $100 a month or more. N8N's Community Edition is free, and it offers unlimited workflows and unlimited executions. Here's the trade-off, and I'm going to be honest with you. N8N requires you to host it yourself on a server. You'll need a basic comfort level with the command line. If that sounds scary, it's genuinely not that bad. A cheap $5 a month VPS on Hetzner or DigitalOcean is all you need, and the payoff is enormous. With N8N, I built a workflow that takes a new contact from a form, enriches it with data from Clearbit, sends it to Claude for lead scoring, and posts a summary to a Slack channel. All in real time, all for free. On Zapier, that same workflow would cost me at least $45 a month for the step count alone. If you've been avoiding automation because of the cost, N8N removes that barrier completely. It also has native support for LangChain, which means you can build complex AI agent workflows without needing to write a single line of Python. For developers and technical marketers, this is the most powerful free tool on this list. Tool number 5, Canva free tier, the design tool that makes Jasper look overpriced. For our final tool, let's talk about visual content. If you're a marketer or content creator who needs to produce consistent social media assets, thumbnails, presentations, and marketing materials, Canva's free tier is your answer. Now, I know what you're thinking. Canva is limited without Pro. And for some things, that's true. The AI features the Magic Studio image generation. You get about 20 premium AI uses per month. But here's the thing. The core value of Canva has never been its AI features. It's the templates. Canva has thousands of professionally designed free templates for every use case imaginable. YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, LinkedIn banners, pitch decks, one-pagers. They're all there, they're all polished, and they're all free to customize. Compare this to something like Jasper AI, which costs $40 a month for content creation. Jasper is a writing tool. It doesn't have a design editor. If you're paying for both a writing AI and a design tool, you're spending $60, $80, $100 a month on a workflow that Canva's free tier and a bit of Claude or Perplexity can largely replicate. For solopreneurs and small teams that need to produce a high volume of marketing assets quickly, Canva Free is not a compromise. It's a complete solution. Let's pull this all together. Here's your free AI stack for 2026. Use Perplexity for research. Unlimited cited searches, no cost. Use Fathom for meeting notes. Unlimited transcription, no cost. Use Gemini Code Assist for coding. 180,000 completions, no cost. Use N8N for automation. Unlimited workflows, roughly $5 a month in server costs. Use Canva for design. Thousands of templates, no cost. Now, do paid tools have advantages? Absolutely. If you're running a large team working with sensitive code or need enterprise-grade privacy, the paid tiers deliver genuine value, and the ToolStack score for each of these tools reflects that nuance. Perplexity, 9.2 out of 10. Fathom, 8.8 out of 10. Gemini Code Assist, 8.5 out of 10. N8N, 8.7 out of 10. Canva Free, 8.3 out of 10. But for the individual professional, the freelancer, the solopreneur, this stack is the smartest way to operate in 2026. You don't need to pay the AI tax. The tools are here, they're good, and they're free. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. We drop a new tool review every single Monday. And check out the link in the description. I've put together a full breakdown of each tool's free tier limits so you can bookmark it as a reference. I'll see you in the next one. Pre-free.